Yo, what is up guys? So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can fix Spotify Wrap not working. So I'm going to be giving you guys two solutions in this video that can possibly help you out with Spotify Wrap. So let's go ahead and hop right into it. Now, on your Spotify, you're just going to want to log into the app here. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do for the first solution is you're going to want to log out of your account and re-log back in, because many of the times it really isn't synced, the newest updates to your account. So just log out, log back in, see if that works. If it doesn't, then move on to the second solution, which is heading over to your app store and making sure that Spotify is updated, right? So with the new Wrapped, you are going to have to update your Spotify and make sure it's actually up to date with the newest software update. So just make sure that you head over to your Spotify. See right here that my Spotify actually needs to update right now. So most of the times you might have to update. You can see that I'm currently updating the app right now. So if that doesn't work either, delete the app as a whole, re-download it, and just check again and see if it's there. If it's not there, then that just means that Spotify, as of right now, is slowly rolling out the Spotify Wrapped update to all of its users. So all you have to do as of right now is just stay patient. If that's the case, if those two solutions don't work. So hopefully you found those two solutions helpful, and hopefully I got into it no yip yap. But with that being said, have a nice day guys. I will see you all until next time.